You got it. Okay.
Noise.
Hey weirdos, it's Tuesday afternoon, it's about noon, and we don't have any water. There's been a plumbing issue in the building today, and I didn't get my chance to shower. So, Tesla service guy may really enjoy that. It's fine. I smell like rainbows. We're getting our third steering wheel today. I'll get into a little bit more of why that's happening, but hope to give you some good footage of how you take the steering wheel off. And also I want to find out if there is a heater in this steering wheel, because it's been cold here this past year. It's not cold right now, but thinking about doing that upgrade to the rear heated seats. I'd like to make sure that their steering wheel has the heating element in it, so keep my fingers cold. Keep my fingers warm, I mean. Warm. They don't have air conditioning steering wheels yet. Interesting. Patent pending. So follow along, and I'll explain what's going on. A couple weeks ago, I made a service appointment request because I noticed that this was starting to pucker a little bit here, what's coming loose. The other side is perfectly fine. The steering wheel in itself is totally perfect, just this one little blip. So I thought I would take a picture of it and submit it just to see what would happen. And a day later, I got confirmation that yes, Tesla service would replace it. They would again come to our home and swap it out. This is going to cost me $0 to replace.
That one.
That looks so much better. The stitching's new, isn't it?
Yeah, they do have a little bit. Even the new one,
Oh, interesting.
that's a normal one. But if you think that one is better, I don't like to put it on. That's why I think
Wow.
that one might be
So
okay.
I don't even think like that. All of that seems new, isn't it?
Yeah, that's all. That's
Cool,
all.
okay.
Everything is that one is brand new. You can see the package. They wrap it, and then we never open the package. Yeah.
Okay.
And today is
Well, then maybe that was a problem before, and the stitching will help keep it from moving. Hopefully. Here, the stitching is a bit different. It's not running through the top there anymore. It looks like they've changed it a little bit. So hopefully that's a great thing. Well, it's hard to tell. Maybe the stitching is there and behind, but you said there was some adjustments to it. Still, I gotta say, the coolest work van. It's amazing how much stuff that they can actually get in there. Just wish they'd make the Model 3 with a hatchback. I just love this so much.
I press the airbag on, the horn may sound.
Oh, okay, yeah.
They don't scare anybody. Okay. Noise.
So we just ran into a little bit of a setback here. When he replaced the steering wheel and put it on, there was a little bit of rubbing, similar to what happened last time, but it's not nearly as bad, but he's just seeing if he can make a couple tweaks to it. I'm also happy to report that the water is back on, so after this, I'm gonna grab a shower. It's gonna be awesome. Never sit in the back seat, so while I'm waiting, why not give it a shot? Very comfortable, I do say. I absolutely love it in here. Lighting, not good for filming though. Gotta say, I just love the extra care and attention that he does when he's taking things apart. Everything's going down on a mat or a paper towel or something. It's just great. It's just a nice touch. It just shows how much he cares and how much he respects the vehicle. So I just really, really appreciate that. It's amazing. This is just the challenge sometimes. We were so close to being done, and once you get it all put together, just things don't always fit right. It's not part of the same build, but I'm sure we'll get it and everything will be cool. You got it.
The horn may sound.
Okay.
Noise.
Perfection. Beautiful. Thank you so much. There you have it. All done. Took a little bit longer than we expected, but it's absolutely perfect now. Really, really nice and smooth as it should be. Beautiful new steering wheel. Couldn't be happier. We're probably going to upgrade and add in the heated seat, which gives us the heated steering wheel. He was able to confirm that that steering wheel most likely does have it. They've replaced some of the wiring in it. It's a little bit more hidden than it was in the past. But he said if there's any issue, if we do buy that upgrade and there's something wrong with the steering wheel, like the heater doesn't actually work in it or it's not even there, they'll replace it again. So not too worried. But thanks for watching, everybody. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also please subscribe. I'd love to have you along with us as we continue through our Tesla journey. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you so much. Take care.
Okay, listen everybody, I'm gonna go home now.